friends, welcome to Esda World. Today we are going to be making a mini book using A4 size paper. So let's start. The things we need are scissors, a ruler, Fevi Stik, a color paper, any color you want, a plain A4 size paper. Let's begin. First, fold the A4 size paper like this. Then, fold it again like this. Then flip the paper over and fold it again. Now open it. Then you could use a scissors to cut the paper into 4 parts. Now we have the 4 strips of paper. Take 1 strip of paper and fold it into half. Then fold it again 2 times. Do the same process in every strip of paper. Now we have the 4 folded paper strips. Now open them all. Take a Fevi Stik. Apply Fevi Stik on one side of the paper. Take the other strip of paper and stick it on it. Do the same process to every paper. Now we have the paper. Now, as you can see in the video, you should fold like this, one by one. Now we have finished folding the paper. Open it. Apply Fevi Stik to the paper. Fold it. Continue the process. Our book is ready, but now we have to make the book cover. Now take your colorful paper, fold it like this. Fold it again. Open it. In this paper, we only need 1 strip. Now take our book, apply glue on the side and stick the book onto the strip of paper. Like this. Now, apply glue on the other side of the book and stick it. Cut the remaining part of the paper. Now, our book is completed. If you want to make your book prettier, you can design it with your choices. I have made my book prettier by drawing eyes. As the world. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching this video.